The Kodiak Kolossus is a rechargeable, extremely bright, heavy-duty tactical-grade flashlight, producing up to a stunning 15,000 lumens. Let's take a closer look. Inside the package is the Kolossus and a USB-C charging cable. Since the Kolossus is rechargeable, it's best to give it a full charge before first using it. Plug the included charging cable into any USB power source, such as a power bank, a computer, or AC power cube. Pull back the charging port cover and insert the USB-C plug. Flashing green charging indicators above the power switch change to 4 solid green lights when charging is complete. When not being charged, the 4 lights function as a battery life indicator. The 26650 5000 mAh lithium-ion battery is removable, and we recommend removing it if the flashlight won't be used for an extended period. It takes up to 7 hours for a full charge. The Kolossus functions as a power bank to charge your smartphone, but please remember, charging a phone reduces the runtime as a flashlight. Pull back the port cover and plug your own phone charging cable into the USB port. Plug the other end into your phone to charge. The Kolossus weighs 2 pounds and measures 10.75 inches in length and 3 inches across the head section. The body is 1.5 inches in diameter. The Kolossus is equipped with a safety lockout, preventing unwanted operation or accidental overheating. If the flashlight has not been used within 2 minutes, it must be unlocked. To do so, double press the power button quickly. The flashlight blinks twice, letting you know it's unlocked. Never look directly into the flashlight. Point it away from you at all times. Once unlocked, you may cycle through 3 brightness modes. High of 10,000 lumens with a 2-hour runtime and 590-foot light throw. Medium 3,000 lumens with a 5-hour runtime and 328-foot light throw. And low at 300 lumens with a 30-hour runtime and 108-foot light throw. Long pressing the power button activates the 15,000 lumen turbo mode. Turbo runs for 30 seconds with a 705-foot light throw, and if left on, reverts back to high brightness. You must long press the power button each time to activate turbo. It's accessible from any light mode, including off. Pressing the power button while turbo is active shuts the flashlight off. The flashlight locks out automatically after 2 minutes of non-use. Simply double press the power button again quickly to unlock it. The Kolossus features a twist-to-focus beam. Hold the body of the flashlight and twist the head portion to the desired setting. Do not touch the outer portion of the Kolossus, as it can become very hot, and there are some indicators showing that. The Kolossus carries an IPX4 weather-resistant rating and is drop-tested to 1 meter or just over 3 feet. The incredible Kodiak Kolossus is a real powerhouse. It carries a lifetime warranty against defects and is suitable for professional use in demanding situations.